In question 9, it says that water is poured into a tank at a constant rate of 500 cm cube per second. The depth of water in the tank t seconds after filling is h. When the depth of the water in the tank is h, the volume is given by the formula. So V is equals to 4 upon 3 into 25 plus h whole cube minus 62500 divided by 3. In part, it is asking us to find the rate at which h is increasing at the instant when h is equals to 10. Now, first of all, we write the formula that will relate the rate of change of v with h. So that will be dv by dt is equals to dv by dh multiplied by dh by dt. As we are finding the rate of change at which h is increasing, it means this is an unknown. From the question, in the first part, it said water is being poured at a rate of 500. So we can say that the volume dv by dt, rate of change of volume, is 500. So we need to find the dv by dh and put h equals to 10 and then divide by dv by dt to get the value of dh by dt. So if we differentiate dv, if we find the derivative of v, which will be dv by dh, so we'll multiply 3 by 4, that will become 12 upon 3 into 25 plus h whole squared minus the derivative of a constant is 0, so that will become a 0. So we can write this as equals to 4 into 25 plus h whole squared. Now substituting h equals to 10, we'll get 4 into 25 plus 10, which is 35 whole squared. Substituting this in the calculator, we'll get 35 squared times 4 as 4900. So we have the value of dv by dh as 4900. Now to find dh by dt, we will divide dv by dh, which is 500 by 4900. So dividing 500 by 4900, that will give us 0.102. And as we have to give our answer to three significant figures, we leave it as it is. So that will be 0.102 centimeters. So this will be just centimeter per second. In part B, it says that at another instant, the rate at which h is increasing is 0.075 centimeter per second. So we can say that dh by dt is 0.075 centimeters per second. We have to find the value of v. Now we already know that the formula relating v and h is dv by dt equals to dv by dh into dh by dt. As we have the value of dv by dt as 500, dv by dh was 4 into 25 plus h whole squared. So we'll write 4 into 25 plus h whole squared multiplied by 0.075. So using this equation, we'll find the value of h and substitute it into the original equation to find the value of v. So 500 divided by 0.075 will be equals to 6,666.66, which is equals to 4 into 25 plus h whole squared. Dividing this answer by 4 and then taking the square root. So that will be equal to 25 plus h will be equals to 50 root 6 upon 3 and then subtracting 25 from the answer. The final value of h will be 15.824. So after solving this, the value of h is 15.824. Now we'll not use this rounded off value. So we will not use 15.8 in place of h, but instead we'll use a complete value to find the value of v. So the formula that was relating v and h was 4 upon 3. So that was 4 upon 3 into 25 plus h whole cube minus 62500 upon 3. So this was minus 62500 upon 3. We'll exactly put the value of h that we got in a calculator, which was 15.8248 plus 25 whole cubed. So we'll first whole cube the answer, multiplied by 4, divided by 3, and then subtract 62500 upon 3. So subtracting 62500 divided by 3, we'll get our answer as v equals to 69888.5 centimeter cube. Now, as we have to give our final answer to three significant figures, Now we'll round it off to three significant figures. So to round it off, we'll add 1 over here. So this will become a 9. So the final answer will be 699, and then we'll put the remaining as zeros. So the final answer will be 69900 centimeter cube for the value of V.